What's going on, YouTube? OCD for EDC here. Joined by my lovely wife, Molly. Say hello.
Hi.
And what we got for your face balls today, we've got a couple unboxings to do. And this one here, we're going to open first. And this box, just a little FYI, this is coming from Spyderco. And it is the latest Collector Club box. I have no idea what's in it. But we're going to use the old Mule team here in S45VN to open these packages.
Go!
This package right here is from one of our lovely patrons. This is a package from Mr. William Lenderman. And I happen to know what's in here because he told me. And you guys will see some more of this coming up very, very soon. But let's get into it and check it out. So some of you may recognize the size of this box. You want to open it? Go ahead. Why don't you open it? Nice brown box. Giggity.
Giggity. Hey, it's
there,
I can't get it.
There's a nice white box.
He got Iowa.
Yep.
Sticker.
We got a little American Gothic. Is that what that's called?
Yeah.
No. American Gothic sticker.
knifeart.com, huh?
Which is, for those that don't know, this is from Iowa. Is it Pella? Was this in Pella? It's the American Gothic, the house.
Yeah, I'm not. I don't.
Not far from here. I don't remember exactly.
It's in our state.
Okay, so I'm guessing there's going to be something in the letter about this little. We got a little Spyderco lanyard here. Very nice, very nice. We got a little American Gothic knife art. We got a Velcro back knifeart.com patch as well. That'll stick good to the old mat here. Huh. And then we have, oh, that's the factory lanyard from the old, that's an Nkosi lanyard, you can see right there. Quality in your pocket. Since 1984. Chris Reeve Knives. Think twice, cut once.
I don't like
We've got a little leather pocket slip here. Little CRK logo there. Think twice, cut once. And here is the package. And I'll tell you something funny about this in just a moment. Actually, let's do that first. Where is it? Here we go. Let's get this open. So, William sent this, and then almost immediately sent another message saying, "Some bitch, I forgot the tools and the oil and the stuff." So there that is. Yeah, there that is in a separate package. So, pretty funny. But, yes, here is the fluorinated grease and the hardware Allen keys to disassemble your CRK. They come wrapped up in these very nice, these microfiber cloths with the CRK logo on them. Very, very nice. I really like their microfiber cloths, and they're good size as well. And here is, you want to feel the cloth?
All that comes in this box?
Yes. Well, not these things. Oh, I think he added those.
But still, okay.
I mean, depending on...
I expected a bigger knife, I guess.
Depending on the knife, I mean, he may have bought this from Knife Art. I don't know. Anyway, this is the CRK small Sabenza, or actually, I'm sorry, small Nkosi. Yeah, so really cool knife. Definitely high quality. So it's double-sided thumb stud, which is fantastic. S35VN. This thing is essentially brand new. Doesn't even look like it's ever been sharpened. No, I don't see any snail trails in the tie.
You're a snail trail. It's got that crown
spine.
Husker do.
Yep.
I always love that.
All right, so what do you think? Got all the paperwork. Yeah, it's not really a flipper.
No.
I mean, you can do it, but...
I can't.
What,
you can.
Yeah.
I can't. That's a nice little knife.
You like it?
Yeah.
You like the size of it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And it's nice and like it's got some girth.
Got a little
to it.
heft
Like,
to it.
Yeah,
Yep.
right, heft. That's a better word.
And what do you think about that smoothness? People refer to it as glassy smooth.
Yeah, it is. Idaho made.
Yeah.
Is that what that
Made
said?
in Idaho.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And
Love me some
you can
Idaho.
see how large the phosphor bronze washers are in there.
Yeah, you
very,
can.
very well made. Very
watch yourself.
precision piece for sure. You know, really nothing needs to be said. It's a Chris Reeve. They're beautiful. They're fantastic. And you know, every single model is great.
Is it titanium?
Yeah.
Scales? Yeah.
Yep. And this is the man that invented the frame lock. He actually called it a Reeve integral lock. But he's the guy that started that.
That's pretty cute.
Yep. And the Nkosi, you can kind of front flip. I just put some lotion on my hands, so that's not going to work out very well at the moment.
Yeah, the two of us just totally...
Like idiots. Oh, there we go. I front flippered it. I front flipped it. Boom. There it is. So it is doable. Action on this thing is fantastic. Really, really nice. So there you go. Nice little small Nkosi plane. There you go. Awesome. All right, now let's get into this other box here. So like I said, this is the most recent box from Spyderco. And you may know what's in this. I don't know because I haven't looked on the
I know
email.
I looked, but I can't remember.
Okay.
Like I can't remember what I ate for lunch. So
All right. We got that. It's an odd-shaped box.
yeah, they're usually different.
Oh, okay. Definitely. Okay, just standard. I didn't know what to expect here, but so we got one.
Yeah, I know what it is.
You do? All right. Well, then I'm going to open this because I honestly do not know what this is. Let's see what we got. Oh, I do. Yeah. Well, I didn't know this was coming, but I know what it is. So this is the Cutlery Shop exclusive. This is the uncoated version of this. So here we go. We've got two orange Shamans, both in XHP, both gorgeous, and yeah, very, very nice. I really like the stone washing on this blade is very, very nice, and it's very smooth.
It looks very good. It looks glassy smooth, like
Yeah.
in the light at an angle.
Yeah, it is. You want to try it out? Check it out. So here is the OG.
Oh,
It's good, yeah?
yeah. It's big.
I'll,
Look, I lost my Ninger. That's for all you haters.
they can't see it.
Oh, my Ninger.
Yeah, she broke a fingernail or whatever, I don't know. Did something to a nail. So here is the paperwork on said Shaman. So if you want to pause right there and check that out. Cutlery Shop exclusive. Cutlery Shop, I believe, is from Idaho. I'm pretty sure Meridian, Idaho. So very, very close to Reeve. But yeah, there we go. Pocket clip on this is also stone washed, which is really nice.
Yeah, I thought that was
I really
pretty
like
cool.
the stone washing on here. I didn't. Yeah, it's very well done, and it looks very nice. I like that a lot better than the polished clip. So yeah, I'm glad to see them do that, and the blade looks fantastic. So very nice,
And I
very,
got
very
two
nice.
Orange ones. What you gonna do?
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I just don't know. Don't know if we'll have enough time. Maybe stay tuned.
One in each pocket.
Well, maybe stay tuned, and you know, maybe there'll be some of these available very soon. So just stay tuned with that. All right, you guys know the procedures here. We got some new gear. We're gonna have to check the factory edges. Now, I don't know about this Reeve knife, whether or not this is 100% unmolested edge, but we're gonna assume that, you know, what I'm gonna do is we'll test it back in this area. It's probably the least likely that it's ever been touched back there. Or most likely that it's never been touched, I should say. Okay, let's get into it. So S35VN, we'll just test it just to see how she does. Let me move this up a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see the digits. Let me try the light. Does that help? Yeah, you can see it. Good enough. All right, we're going to go back towards the back of the blade. Here we go, here we go. Ooh, 220. So, certainly not...
Could be better. Is there a burr?
Yeah, I can actually hear. We're going to do that again. You want to load that one up? It's not a burr, but I can actually see like a shiny spot. It looks like it's been through some cardboard back there. So I'm going to go. Yeah, we're going to go right up in this region. Yeah, about right here. Yep. Let's see what we get here. Here we go, here we go. $205. So
that's more better.
Yeah, a little bit better. So, you know, this thing has been used slightly. I can see that there, you know, just ever so slightly, I can see that it's probably been through some cardboard maybe. But you can tell, you know, maybe this thing's been stropped a bit. I don't know, it's kind of hard to see, but definitely definitely has not been sharpened, I don't think. It looks, yeah, I don't know. I'll have to ask Mr. Lenderman about that.
Yeah, I was going to say, you know the guy, you could just ask.
Yeah, I could. Okay, so now for the, I know that this Shaman, this is a factory edge faux show. So this guy right here, rocking XHP, coming out of Colorado. Let's see here. Let's go right there. You got a bet? Are they going to be as sharp as the last Spydercos?
No.
No. Okay. What's your guess?
140.
140. All right. I think it'll be better than that. I think it'll be 105. 110, son. I was close. Right on. Check that out. Yeah, love the orange. You guys know the drill, the Shaman. And, you know, pick up a CME. Go check out our website, ocdforedc.com. And get, you know, pick up all your stuff, your things.
Get
the tings.
Your kitties, buy the tings, support the channel.
And,
you know, our daughter's expensive.
Our daughter's expensive. And, you know, of course, we got the mule. And, yeah, definitely awesome unboxing knife right there. But there you go. That's what was in. Oh, well, and I suppose I also showed this one off.
Yeah.
The black and orange. So, you know, when it comes to orange knives, I love a good black and orange combo. But you know what? The Stonewash in orange looks pretty good. I like it. It's a little darker. Like if you just look at the blade, I don't know how well that comes up on camera, but the XHP has a little bit of a darker look to it, more akin to the tie handle here on the CRK.
Yeah, I think I like the Stonewash and orange better.
You like it better than the black?
Yeah, which is
really
like weird. I wouldn't have expected that.
Yeah.
Because that's my high school colors right there.
Yeah. But definitely, I'm digging the Stonewash. I really like that. I'm happy to see them do that. And, yeah, it looks very, very good. Do I have another? Oh, yeah, I do. I have the frayed and lock. So, you know, most of your Shamans are going to be a blade finish similar to the frayed and lock Mannix here. So you can really kind of see the difference there. It's quite a big difference, really. Especially when you put them side by side like that. But, yeah, very nice. I really dig it. That was a good call by Cutlery Shop to do the heavy Stonewash, and I love that they matched the clip to it as well. Again, they didn't address the liners, but, you know, I'll take what I can get.
Very nice.
Yep.
My vibe.
Right on. Well, you got anything else you need to say?
Buy stuff, like, subscribe, or don't.
Like, subscribe, do all the things. You smash the bell. Yeah, I don't even know what people say.
Comment down below how dumb you think we are.
If you got any questions, hit us up, info@ocdforedc.com, and go check out the website, ocdforedc.com.
If you want to have early access to knife sales and things.
Oh, yep.
You might want to consider being a patron.
There you go.
Sign up today, boy
Sign
or girl.
Sign up and you'll get a patch. What, $5 and up?
A
Is that what that
$5
is?
and up, yeah.
Yep. So, and some stickers and stuff, you know. So, you know, we're just doing it big here on the OCD for EDC.
You know how we do.
You know how we do. All right, guys, we gone.
Bye.